Hi everybody, here I have a LED sample pack from Vivid Lighting. Now this is a sample pack strictly for review because it's got two different lights in here. One is a cool light and one is a warm light. Now if you guys want to know the difference, a cool light, this one is 500K, this one is 2700K. So a cool light is going to be more like daylight. For photography, whenever you're taking a picture, that's going to show up more true to the actual regular light. Whereas the indoor lighting, the old bulbs like this, the incandescent bulbs, are more of a warm light. So we're going to give this a shot. I've got some bathroom lights that I want to compare this to. I've got also some photography equipment. I want to go ahead and put the cool light in and see if I can't compare it to the lights that I've got for that. It's a light bulb, guys. I really can't say much other than that. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and give them a shot. I'll let you know how they perform, and then you'll be able to decide whether or not you want to purchase your bulbs from Vivid Lighting as a result of the review. I did get this for free in exchange for the review, of course, but we'll hopefully get some good pictures and stuff as well, so that way you guys can see the lighting. So, alright, questions, comments, make sure to ask, and I'll get to them as soon as I can, and thanks a lot.